Model, 63-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 2.0 CDTI, 90 PS, Eco long wheelbase, STDRF EU5 gearbox noisy MOTED. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 167,843. MOT, the 30th of March 2025. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 90 bhp, Euro 5, transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is whining so will need repairing very soon. Still starts and drives okay, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074